What is going on, everybody? Tech enthusiast here, and this is an Antutu benchmark comparison between the Samsung Galaxy S21 against the Huawei Mate 40 Pro. So we have the Exynos 2100 versus the Kirin 9000. Both of the phones have 8GB of RAM, and the rest of the specs you can see on the sides. Now with that being said, let's get started. So the Galaxy S21 finished first by about 5 seconds, however the Mate 40 Pro scored overall higher. Now in the breakdown of the categories, the Galaxy S21 scored higher for the CPU, but the Mate 40 Pro scored higher for the GPU, the memory and the UX. So that wraps it up for this Antutu benchmark comparison. What did you think? Do let me know in the comment section. Now if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up, so make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release my videos. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching and I will catch up with you in the next video.